Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make Hollandaise sauce using an immersion blender. First, gather your ingredients: fresh egg yolks, lemon juice, and unsalted butter. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and quick. This method is incredibly simple and delivers a rich, creamy sauce perfect for eggs Benedict or asparagus. Let's get started with preparing our key components for this classic sauce. Next, gently melt 1 stick of unsalted butter until it's hot, but not browned. In a tall, narrow container, combine your fresh egg yolks, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and a pinch of salt. This container is key for the immersion blender to work effectively. Place the immersion blender directly at the bottom of the container, ensuring it covers the egg mixture completely. Now, turn on your immersion blender and keep it firmly pressed against the bottom of the container. While the blender is running, slowly and steadily pour the hot melted butter into the egg mixture. As the sauce begins to emulsify and thicken, slowly lift the blender upwards, allowing it to incorporate all the butter. This gradual lifting ensures a perfectly smooth and stable Hollandaise. Finally, taste your freshly made Hollandaise sauce and adjust the seasoning with a little more salt or lemon juice if needed. If the sauce is too thick, you can whisk in a tablespoon of hot water to reach your desired consistency. Serve your delicious, homemade Hollandaise immediately over your favorite dishes. Enjoy this restaurant-quality sauce made effortlessly in your own kitchen.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.